The first recorded encounter of the Nagas with the Ahoms. The Ahoms, led by the chief Sukapa, entered Assam through the Naga Hills. Captain Francis Jenkins and R.P. Pemberton travelled through Angami territory. They were accompanied by the Raja of Manipur, Gambhir Singh. First British expedition to the Naga Hills under Grange. Also the first missionary to the Nagas, Reverend Miles Bronson, arrived at Namsang village. Who be a Konyak Naga and the first Naga convert, was baptized by Reverend Nathan Brown. First Anglo-Conoma battle. It was led by Captain Vincent. The British adopted the policy of non-interference. This was a consequence of the Battle of Kikruma. Naga Hills district formed with the headquarters in Samaguting. Captain Gregory was appointed as the first officer in charge. Supong Marin from Molongkimong village was baptized by Reverend E.W. Clark. The first Baptist church established at Molongkimong village by Reverend E.W. Clark. Forward policy adopted by R.H. Keating, Chief Commissioner of Assam. First Baptist mission established at Molong Yimsen village by Reverend E.W. Clark. Kohima established as the headquarters. G.H. Tamand appointed as the DC of Kohima. The Battle of Konoma. G.H. Tamand heard that the Naga villages, primarily Konoma village, was acquiring arms secretly. G.H. Tamand was killed in the battle and the Kohima garrison was besieged by the Nagas. Colonel Johnston, political agent of Manipur, arrived after 6 days with 2,000 Manipuri troops. Reverend E.W. Clark started his American Missionary Society at Impur. Father Marcellinus Moles reached Tamblu in Longland. 2,000 Nagas were sent as the Naga Labor Corps to France. The leader was Kuhoi Jimomi. They were paid a wage of ₹15 per month. Naga Club formed in Kohima. The Simon Commission arrived in Kohima. A memorandum was submitted to the Simon Commission. The first police station established in Kohima. Nagaland Baptist Churches Council or NPSC formed. The Battle of Kohima was fought from 4th April 1944 to 22nd June 1944. From the British side, the 4th Battalion under Hugh Richards led the fight. The Japanese troops were the 31st Division of the 15th Imperial Japanese Army under General Sato. On 5th April 1944, Kohima was completely surrounded by the Japanese troops. And they had established posts at Kohima Village, Treasury Hill, Jail Hill, and Chipiti Ridge. Colonel Hugh Richards with his 2,500 troops fought a close quarter battle at Tennis Court and Rajbhavan. This lasted for 13 days. The 2nd Division under Lieutenant General Montagu Stopford reached Kohima to assist the 4th Battalion. The British troops who fought in the Battle of Kohima called themselves the Forgotten Army.